So it's 6:19. I'm running a little bit late this morning, heading to the farm. Got about 2 hours of sleep last night. Our dog decided to have puppies around 11 o'clock last night, so we were up late with that. But heading out onto the farm, we're gonna harvest some plantains. I got a couple people I'm picking up this morning that come with me. So here we go. We're on our way, but first we need to stop for some baleadas. So we had a baleada, and now we're here harvesting plantains at the farm. We'll see how many we get. Today our goal is to harvest 25 plants at least each week, so about halfway there so far. So we'll see what we come up with. Here they are peeling the fruit.
Pero me la mató usted, me la mandó hasta con las patas le echó adentro la gallina.
They're gonna have some rabbit. Conejo. Here's the lunch at the farm. Rabbit, a plantain, and rice. The two ladies are almost done peeling. So that was our day at the farm. We ended up with 5.5 large bags of peeled fruit, and I'm back home now, and just wanted to show you guys the reason why I got 2 hours of sleep last night. When I left this morning, I was super tired. Those little 7 puppies there that were born about 2 a.m. this morning. So that's it. That's a day at the farm for us. So I'll have a guy, there's a guy coming tomorrow that's going to help me to cook everything and get everything ready for the rest of the week. So, alright guys, that's it.